testing is defined as a commercially published test that contains a set number of items and have a uniform procedure for administration and scoring. Although policymakers have mandated standardized testing for young children, research has shown that standardized testing is not developmentally appropriate practice, and it does not provide accurate results of young children's development and growth over time. Standardized testing promotes narrow curriculum that's focused on cognitive and language development. In addition to cognitive and language development, children also need to develop fine motor skills, gross motor skills, and social and emotional development skills, which cannot be accurately measured through standardized testing. Developmentally appropriate assessments can take into consideration the whole child and have the child's best interest at heart. Due to the unreliability and inaccuracy of standardized testing, we should not be using those results to label or track children or to make crucial policy decisions about early childhood programs. There are a variety of developmentally appropriate assessment methods that provide more accurate results of children's growth and development over time, as well as the effectiveness of educational programs themselves. Developmentally appropriate assessment is first and foremost child-centered. This means that it is done in authentic contexts of children's daily lives, with people they know and trust, and with the goal of providing informed, effective, and developmentally appropriate learning experiences in safe and nurturing environments. Two methods of developmentally appropriate assessment are observation and documentation, as well as portfolios of children's work samples. Observation and documentation provide an accurate representation of a child's learning and growth over time. Educators observe and document children's development daily and maintain systematic procedures for collecting information. This information is used to plan curriculum and content, as well as provide additional support in specific areas of development as needed. Documentation can include written notes, checklists, time sampling, and event sampling. A diverse set of documentation provides the most accurate picture of a child's overall development. Another developmentally appropriate assessment is assembling a portfolio of the child's work samples. These samples can include a child's artwork, writing, photos, videos, audio recordings, group projects, and any other physical representation of a child's work. Educators can use this form of assessment to understand better the child's development, as well as share that information with parents, caregivers, and other stakeholders in a child's life. Developmentally appropriate assessment is a crucial factor in a child's educational experience and should not be taken lightly. It is our responsibility as educators to provide safe and effective educational experiences for children and to make sure that our assessments do no harm to the children that we serve. Standardized testing is not developmentally appropriate practice and can cause harm in a child's development and self-concept. It is imperative that we use developmentally appropriate assessments such as observation and documentation, as well as portfolios, to obtain accurate results of children's overall development.